Hey there! Starting your study abroad journey? We understand how it could turn tedious and overwhelming. We're here to tell you all about Manhattan, a vibrant hub, home to the City University of New York, along with all the top student accommodations it has. With Amber, finding your ideal student home is easier than ever. Check out our top 10 student apartments in Manhattan and discover your next home away from home. First on our list is Park Avenue East Home. This student accommodation in New York City offers fully furnished, spacious private rooms and shared rooms, male/female, with in-unit laundry, stocked kitchens, and queen-size beds. It offers a wide range of amenities such as all-inclusive utilities, high-speed Wi-Fi, a TV, and a dishwasher. It stands between the prestigious City University of New York, Brooklyn Law School, and CUNY Hunter College, making it perfect for students who want convenience. Plus, with nearby public transport, local cafes, and top attractions like Central Park and the Met, everything you need is right at your doorstep. Next, we have W115th Street, known for its modern design and vibrant student community. Located in the heart of New York City, it's close to the City College of New York and Columbia University. This accommodation offers spacious 3-bed 1-bath and 4-bed 1.5-bath apartments, featuring private rooms, modern shared bathrooms, and a fully equipped shared kitchen. It includes a variety of amenities such as high-speed Wi-Fi, a smart TV, laundry facilities in the building, and a dedicated workspace with options such as private and shared rooms. Perfect for both relaxation and study. It also stands close to Harlem, renowned for its cultural heritage and vibrant social scene, enhancing the living experience by offering both convenience and a rich community life. W116th Street, known for its modern design and vibrant student community. Located in the heart of Manhattan, it's close to Columbia University and City College of New York. This accommodation offers well-appointed non-en-suite rooms and configurations like the spacious 3-bed 1-bath, perfect for student living. It includes a variety of amenities such as high-speed Wi-Fi, smart TV, and weekly housekeeping with options such as full-sized beds and a fully equipped kitchen. Perfect for both relaxation and study. It also stands close to cultural hotspots like Riverside Park and iconic institutions such as the Mount Sinai School of Medicine and Juilliard School, providing a rich blend of academic and cultural enrichment right at your doorstep. Next up is Morningside Park Home, celebrated for its comfortable design and student-friendly features. Situated in the vibrant core of New York City, it's just minutes away from Columbia University and Mount Sinai School of Medicine. This property provides private rooms that come furnished with a cozy bed, study desk and chair, closet space, and fresh linens, perfect for students who value their privacy. The accommodation includes several modern conveniences, such as a fully equipped kitchen, cable TV, on-site laundry, and utility bills covered in the rent. With room options tailored for solo living, it offers a great balance of comfort and focus. Plus, it's close to relaxing green spaces like Morningside Park and cultural landmarks like the Studio Museum in Harlem and the Cathedral of St. John the Divine, making it ideal for both academics and city exploration. Next, we have W112th Street, a top pick for student living in New York City. Just minutes from City College of New York, Columbia University, and Juilliard School, it offers fully furnished 2- and 3-bed apartments with cozy beds, study desks, and lots of natural light. Enjoy high-speed Wi-Fi, smart TVs, kitchenware, and dedicated workspaces, ideal for both study and relaxation. Located near cafes like Harlem Shake, parks like Marcus Garvey Park, and attractions like the Brooklyn Bridge, W112th Street places you close to everything you need for a fun, convenient, and comfortable student life in NYC. Now we have Manhattan Central Park Home 1, a popular choice for student housing right in the heart of New York City. Ideally situated near top universities like Columbia University, Burrage College, and CUNY, it offers students a convenient and well-connected place to live. The property features private rooms such as economy private room and private room with a desk, each furnished with a queen-sized bed, desk, closet, and fresh linens. Students can enjoy amenities like a fully equipped kitchen, laundry facilities, high-speed Wi-Fi, and all-inclusive bills. With Central Park, Times Square, and great cafes nearby, It's perfect for both academics and city life. And rounding off our list is 326 E 100th Street, a top-tier student housing option in New York City. Conveniently located near renowned institutions like Columbia University, CUNY, NYU, and Juilliard School, it's ideal for students seeking a short commute. The property features fully furnished 4-bed, 2-bath and suite apartments with full-sized beds, study desks, kitchenware, in-unit laundry, and smart TVs. Amenities include high-speed Wi-Fi, AC, weekly housekeeping, and all-inclusive bills. With Central Park, cozy cafes, diverse restaurants, and major city attractions nearby, 326 E 100th State offers the perfect blend of academic focus and vibrant NYC living. These are just a few of the fantastic student accommodations you can find in Manhattan. To explore more options and book your perfect apartment, head over to Amber's website. You'll find detailed descriptions, photos, and booking options, and much more for each of these properties. The link is in the description below. Happy house hunting!